Hello, Susykins and Susykins. This is our WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world. You can acknowledge me. I say, hey, this is Sushi Puppet. So, with our review again here today. Today is SummerSlam, so I wasn't at 7. My kickoff so, and after the show starts at 8, I did my live reaction after that. It'll be amazing. So today's dinner, my dad got me McDonald's because they're going out. So that's why. So we got French fries here, and also a Big Mac. And some Pepsi and some inside here. So let's dive in here. First, into a burger. Big W. We go to the sushi. Yeah, this is this. Ow. That's so good. Wow. Wow. That's so delicious. And now, fries with honey mustard. The honey mustard is so good. With fries. It blends really good. Sushi, yeah, this is this. Wow. Potentially, well, love it. Dude, so delicious. So that's because it's gone so because it wasn't SummerSlam today. And after that is a fallout of SummerSlam on Monday. So that's because I'm signing off. And I didn't from my projections on projections with my dad, by the way. And yeah, I got it because I'm signing off. So thank you for watching all this guys. You know as well. You can drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please for second able, sponsoring me my YouTube channel. This get to the channel and enter the business charity, please. Happy search of the very friends and with me with me. And with follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And if with that, I have this for you. Sushi, yeah.